This clip, we're going to talk about some of the things that can happen if you have a bad ball joint. I want you to notice particular. What I've done is hand tighten two of the lug nuts down just to ensure that the tire is tight to the hub surface and that the play that we see is coming from front end components alone. I'd like you to pay particular attention to the tire as I apply leverage to it. You'll see it rock in and out this way. That indicates a bad ball joint. Grab a hold of the tire and just apply my body weight to it. You may even be able to hear it clunking. What that is a bad upper ball joint. We're going to service the upper ball joint because it's bad, and we're going to replace the lower just because it's been on the vehicle for the same amount of time, and it will be pretty easy to do while we're servicing the upper ball joint. What I want to show you is what it's done to our tire. Since it's been driven for an extended period of time with a bad ball joint on it, the upper edge of the tire has been worn severely. I'm going to spin the lug nuts off and turn the tire to you so you can get a really good look at it. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my four-way and my little mechanical advantage here to spin my lug nuts off. It saves you from doing a whole bunch of extra ratcheting. You always want to let your tools do the work for you instead of doing the work for your tools. All right, got all 5 lug nuts taken off. You either want to put them in your pocket or on a magnetic tray or in a location where you won't lose them at. All right, what I want to point at is the inside edge of the tire. Let me clean it up for you. As you can see, the tread on the inside edge of the tire is severely worn. The outside edge of the tire still has 10,000, 20,000 miles of life left in it. The inside edge of the tire, however, is destroyed. What happens is the upper ball joint is bad, which allows the wheel to pitch inwards. So it's riding most of it on just this very small portion of tread. That's the proper way to remove your tire and inspect your upper and lower ball joints, and you can see the result with a failure.